Hello all, welcome to Kalam Learning Lab YouTube channel. Normally to develop any website or any web application or Android application, it might be a standalone application or a web application. It's a normal, there are five important things that any coder or programmer should be expert, or he should be having a sound knowledge about these five major languages. So we have HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, SQL, and if he is not expert in any of those things, then a basic tool we use something called as CMS, content management systems. There are two important content management system. One is WordPress and Wix. These are the two popularly known content management systems. But here, HTML is the basic fundamental, and it is the front end of a website. It's a skeleton of a website, we can tell. I mean, how it looks. Skeleton would be the back end part, maybe the muscle part of a website. Okay, like a body, how the normal human body. So this is the basic fundamental thing. HTML, because stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Now, this there are a lot of websites to learn HTML and all. Now, the whole what I'm telling and why, what is the reason, as you have seen in thumbnail. So to write any to code anything using HTML. So this is the normal thing I'm just showing you in Word W3 schools. HTML head and title. So you should close the title and body. This is the structure that we have. So if you click on this, try it on yourself, then you'll get the dash. Another dashboard where you can see how exactly that changes. Now this entire code can be replaced, can have been already replaced by artificial intelligence. Microsoft have introduced a new project called Sketch to Code, where a normal sketch can be converted into a HTML code. So this code, what we have written here, now this code can be transformed in a normal paper with pen, and if you know to sketch, how to sketch, and the entire the HTML part can be coded just by drawing. Just think, a coder now, before he used to sit and code this HTML title and paragraph, title close, body close, HTML, all those things. But now a simple drawing can be replaced, can be used to create HTML code. I'll just show you. So now you have this all templates, ready-made templates, or if you want any other templates also, you can sketch and you can upload the design or take a picture of it. So I'll just use the template which is already available. Now this is a sign up form. So if I want to use this form, so click on this, use this template. So now the working on sketch, so the code is already ready. So this is the sketch that I have selected, and here the code is ready. I can download this HTML code. Now the code is ready in my hand. So .html extension, if you open, so now the code is already ready, sign up form. So just think, in fraction of seconds, just by sketch, you can create a code. I don't know what will be the situation of the people who are into HTML coders, but this is the new, may not be a very recent one. They have done it, and they are still working on it, but now it is already there. So this is just I wanted to share with you people. Now, if you want to see the source code of this, so this is the backend code which has been written by this tool called Sketch to Code. Just by sketch, this code has been automatically generated at the backend, and here we have this result. So this is the power of artificial intelligence. See you all in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.